Eat your brains.
I used to be a hike, now I'm a riding bike, and I want to eat your brains.
Our intros are popping. Let's try to eat your brains. Won't someone tell us why we ain't dead no more? You gotta stab us through the eye, or we come back for more. Oh, I used to be a waiter,
A baker.
butcher,
A baker.
okay. Now I eat your brains. So we mill around for hours and we don't smell like the flowers when we try to eat your brains.
Oh look, it's an abandoned basement, and it's completely dark. Oh, I'm sure I'll have no trouble just feeling my way along the sides of the room until I can find an available light switch. Wait, what is that? Did I step in something wet?
Oh, was it toxic waste or a meteor from the sky? Someone bit my face, and now we cannot die. I should be pushing up the daisies, instead I ate your babies. Now it's time to eat your brains. It will satisfy the zombie horde to have you as our smorgasbord, so let us eat your brains. Brains?